Hey, what's up with y'all? How y'all doing? Thank you for checking out my video. Today we will be taking a quick look at this, the Bugani M99 waterproof wireless speaker. I got my hands on this a couple days ago and I'm glad that I did. Let me read off some of the specs that's important to you. Battery capacity is 2500 milliamps. Power output is 8 watts by 2. It has a waterproof rating of IPX5. It has crystal sound with deep bass, support wireless Bluetooth 5.0, auxiliary in, and a micro SD card slot. And it also supports handless phone calls. Now, what you get in the box, obviously, is the Bluetooth speaker and a 2-foot cable, USB-A to micro USB. For those of you that drink beer, you know what I'm about to say compared to. The size of this is about the size of a tall boy. Like I said, it has black mesh surrounding the device with rubber on each end. On the right side, we have the controls, and the front is indicated by the Bugatti branding. Like I said earlier, it has a nice sound. On the back is the rubber boot where the ports I mentioned earlier are. And when I first heard this, I was comparing it to a $40 Bluetooth speaker. When I finally went on Amazon and took a look at it, it was half the price. So if you want something cheap that sounds good, that don't break the bank, check out the link in the description. Thank you.